Now let's see how to build a jokes app by using the previous website called Icon has dad joke, and we'll build a jokes app. For that, create project. And type a new project called as jokes app. Click on continue, and we are building for the Google Assistant. So Google Voice Assistant, click on Google Voice Assistant and click on create project. Yeah, as usual the home dock will be open like this, and you might have guessed right now, like, drag a speak block and type in that like, hi, I think you have called for me to tell a joke. Yeah, now connect the home block to the speak block. Yeah, now as we are using the API, so search for the API block. For that, go to integration, uh, and there you can find API block. Drag that block, and as you have seen in the integration, you can see the request URL with the base URL called get. Yeah, you can see the base URL called get. So go back to the website and copy the URL. See, you can see the base URL called get. So copy the URL from the website. Yeah, copy and paste the URL, and now we'll test the request. See, the request got succeeded, and we have got an error. See, the message called, like, we have the source property should be a valid JSON object. So as we have discussed in the last class, that the we will be building the JSON object, right? So we should give a request called JSON. So go back, and we have to give the header called accept. And as we are building an application, means app, right? For that, type application slash in the JSON format. Yeah, perfect. Now we'll test the request. Click on test request. See, now we can see the all for the website format in the JSON form, like website, that URL in the website, URL website in the JSON format. So we no need all this stuff. We need only a joke part. So copy the URL of the joke part, like click on the clipboard sign, like copy to the clipboard. Yeah, copy the clipboard and transform that URL in the enter, we should transform that URL and paste in that, and we'll give a variable called joke. Yeah, create. Yeah, perfect. Now we'll connect this speak block to the API block, and now finally we should get a response from the voice flow. So for that, drag a speak block. Yeah, drag a speak block, and in that you should type in the curly brace called joke, because we have given a variable called joke, right? For that we should type a joke in a curly brace and connect the API block to the speak block. Now the whole flow is ready and the app is also ready, and now we'll test. Now click on test. Yeah, start test. See, hi, you can see what you have seen, and a random joke has been displayed. And now we'll check once again that we'll get another random joke or not. So for that, reset test, and once again start test. Yeah, we have got another random joke. Like this we can uh, make an random jokes app also by using the API. By now I think you have got an idea what an API is. This type of APIs can be used for building voice like voice apps and all. In the next class we'll see what is WeatherBit